Hey, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lover Trading Group, a little after 2 p.m. I was asked by one of the mates in the group to do a little quick video on ChainLink. We haven't covered ChainLink for a while. It's been in that consolidation continuation pattern for a long time. It has not gotten to retest that previous all-time high. So he's stuck in that like 30 to 34 zone. But now today, China FUD has provided an opportunity potentially to go ahead and add some ChainLink to your bags and stacks. ChainLink has a massive supportive community behind it. Okay, every bit as big, really, and as vocal as Cardano, as XRP. You'd be hard pressed to find a lot of other communities in the cryptoverse that are as supportive as ChainLink. And so you have that working in your favor. Okay, there's no bad news today on ChainLink. There's nothing been bad for ChainLink for a while. I mean, all this is predicated on what the China FUD that we've covered in other videos. Hopefully, you guys have taken the opportunity to tune into that 45-minute go live I did earlier this morning. Any of the other videos, but we're going to open it up. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to see. Remember, we start on Phemex. We start on the 4-hour. Before we make any trades, we look at the momentum indicators. We kind of see what the behavior is. That's what we're looking at. And it won't matter if you're buying for your stack or your bag, you still can use that RSI momentum indicator, okay? And an MACD across. I never really like to add to my bags or stacks of any crypto unless the momentum indicators are aligned with what I want to do. Okay, meaning I'm not expanding on any cryptocurrency trades for bags or stacks where the RSI is overbought. Right, I stay away from it. There's no reason because I know it's going to come back down to a reasonable level to get in. So let's take a look at ChainLink. Let's see if there's an opportunity today, like there are so many. And so we're looking at here. This is back from the 16th of October. Okay. So let's follow along here and see here. We got a low here of 35. Okay. Another low here, 34, 35. Okay. Again there. So it's basically tested this area a few times and has come off it. And now this is what we're looking at. Okay. So we know the average is right in here because we can just take the average from the high up here of 80, low down here of 30. So we kind of know it's in that 50 range, right? So we have to expect that it's going to get back after this Chinese FUD into its average RSI, right? There's no news for ChainLink. There's going to be no FOMO. It's going to be just basically a reversal. Get us back in and reset, right? Well, right now we're looking at a 22.8 RSI, well under our 30 oversold indicator by about 8 points. That's huge, okay? We haven't been to this level in over 60 days, okay? 45 to 60 days. So this becomes a buying opportunity. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. But this becomes a buying opportunity, okay? The best opportunity would have been obviously at 28 on the wick, but now you're still seeing her trading at a relatively oversold condition below $30. So in terms of a leverage trade, I would look to enter in below 30, okay? Which is where we're at. We're at 30.1. I would look for anything below 30, okay, to enter in a leverage trade, low leverage, or depending on what leverage you want to enter in at. Certainly can enter in at a 3x leverage or a 5x leverage if you're conservative. If you're a little bit more aggressive, you can enter in at a 10x leverage. Okay, and watch this in the next 24 to 48 hours. That's the play because you can expect Link to come back above 32, which would put her back in that RSI level of, 45 to 55, which is kind of her average. Okay, because again, today's FUD had nothing to do with altcoins. Okay, it had everything to do with Bitcoin mining, everything to do with China. Okay, so you know that the reversal and the reset is going to take place. And so that's what you want to play in terms of how you handle the trade going forward. Okay, now remember, we're going to switch this up and you can kind of see on the 1 hour here what we're looking at. Okay, and this is how we're going to end the video here, but you can kind of still see here where it's still trading below that RSI target. It got as low on the 1 hour as below 10, mates. Okay, oversold.